Total of 5 stocks in news with lot of positive news. 1. Borosil shares up 4% in 2 days, ICICI Securities cuts stock price target, key details. ICICI Securities has revised Borosil's target price to Rs 365, down from Rs 440, citing weak consumer demand and lower earnings projections for FY 26-27. The brokerage maintains an ad rating on the stock, based on a discounted cash flow model. Shares of Borosil Ltd continued their upward momentum on Tuesday, extending gains for the second straight session. The stock has risen nearly 4% over the past 2 days. The company has reported a modest revenue growth of 7.3% year-on-year YoY in the first quarter of fiscal year 2026 Q1 FY26, amidst challenging market conditions. 2. HLE Glascoat shares hit upper circuit of 20%, here's why. HLE Glascoat stock rose 20% to Rs 498.65, a fresh 52-week high on BSE today. Market cap of the firm rose to Rs 3,404 crore. Shares of HLE Glascoat hit an upper ciruit of 20% in the afternoon session on Tuesday after the industrial products firm said its arm has completed the acquisition of certain specific assets of German firm Omeras GmbH. We would like to inform you that HLE Surface Technologies GmbH, a wholly owned step-down subsidiary of HLE Glascoat Limited Company, has completed the acquisition of certain specific assets of Omeras GmbH, and which also includes all shares of Omerastore GmbH, today on August 18, 2025, such development being a material development in relation to the earlier disclosure dated August 14, 2025, said HLE Glascoat. HLE Surface has agreed to acquire the assets for Euro 2,750,000. Omeras GmbH is currently subject to insolvency proceedings by court order of May 1, 2025 passed by the local court of Chemnitz, and debtor in possession management has been ordered, and a monitor has been appointed. The transaction has been approved by the concerned creditors committee in the insolvency proceedings, and the monitor of Omeras GmbH 3 online gaming bill, Delta Corp, on Mobile Global shares rise up to 15%, here's why. Delta Corp stock rose up to 15% to Rs 96 on Tuesday. Later, the stock ended 11.70% higher at Rs 93.28 on BSE. Delta Corp share price today. Shares of gaming firms such as Delta Corp and On Mobile Global rose up to 15% on Tuesday after the Union Cabinet cleared the online gaming bill. The bill is part of the first legal framework to regulate betting apps and impose strict checks on digital gambling. The regulation on betting apps and digital gambling is likely to benefit the business prospects of Delta Corp and On Mobile Global. Delta Corp stock rose up to 15% to Rs 96 on Tuesday. Later, the stock ended 11.70% higher at Rs 93.28 on BSE. On similar lines, On Mobile Global stock rose 5.78% intraday to Rs 56.50. Later, the stock ended 3.73% higher at Rs 55.40 on BSE. The approval marks a significant policy step toward monitoring the fast-growing online gaming industry and addressing concerns over unregulated betting apps. Delta Corp is engaged in the operation of casinos. Its segments include real estate, gaming, hospitality and others. On Mobile Global's business portfolio includes innovative mobile gaming products like Challenges Arena and ONMO, gamification platform GameEyes and a diverse range of mobile entertainment products such as tones, videos, and contests. 420% upper circuit, cable stock skyrockets after receiving license from BIS for cable production. Synopsis: Dynamic Cables Limited has received BIS approval to manufacture high-conductivity cables and fire survival cables. The company's production capacity has now increased to support a monthly turnover of 135 crores, up from 100 crores. The shares of the cable company, specializing in the manufacturing and supply of a wide range of wires and cables, with a particular focus on medium and high voltage applications, are in focus upon receiving a license from the Bureau of Indian Standards BIS to manufacture high conductivity cables and fire survival cables. The license is to manufacture high conductivity aluminum alloy stranded conductors and thermosetting insulated armored fire survival cables. These licenses, granted under is number 398, Part 6, 2021 and is number 17505, Part 1, 2021, will enable the company to produce these specialized cables, ensuring they meet quality standards. 5 HAL share price in focus as center clears Rs 62,000 crore Tejas Mark 1A deal. HAL is set to deliver the first LCA Tejas Mk1A to the IAF in coming months and has already received the second F404 engine from GE, with 10 more scheduled for delivery this fiscal. Defense PSU stock Hindustan Aeronautics Ltd HAL is in focus on Wednesday morning after the center reportedly cleared the procurement of 97 LCA Tejas Mark 1A fighter jets for the Indian Air Force at a cost of Rs 62,000 crore. The approval, granted during a high-level meeting, paved the way for HAL to start production, defense sources told ANI. This is the second major order for the Mark 1A variant. The first, placed a few years ago, was for 83 aircraft valued at about Rs 48,000 crore. With the latest approval, the Indian Air Force's total order for LCA Tejas Mark 1A jets rises to 180. In a note on August 13, Choice Institutional Equities noted that while HAL has now completed assembly of 11 single-seat Tejas Mk1A fighters, 10 at Bengaluru, 1 at Nashik, and 9 trainer variants, taking the total to 19 fully built airframes, the main constraint remains engine supply. To date, only 2 GE engines have been received, however, we expect the pace to pick up with an additional 10 engines likely to arrive by December 2025. Disclaimer: this article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.